The markets were looking forward to a big reform today throughout, which was Coal India allowing for ceiling of fuel supplies for India's power sector. That board meeting of Coal India failed to take a decision, and that was something that is now going to be expected to be taken forward only tomorrow. Coal India today has until 31st of this month to take a final call on coal supplies to power sector.
The board, of course, will now meet tomorrow, and the board is under pressure from independent directors as far as signing these FSAs or the fuel supply agreements are concerned. Nitya Balakrishnan joins us live from New Delhi with more on that story. Nitya, this is the second board meeting, no decision. Is the board under pressure, and what's the likely outcome tomorrow?
Well, Sandeep, clearly it's the second board meeting of Coal India in under a week. And after the 7-hour-long meeting, what we picked up from our sources was that the board of directors had arrived at no consensus whatsoever whether to go ahead and sign long-term FSAs with the power producers. Now, what we're also picking up is the fact that the independent directors are very concerned. They're saying they do not want to expose the company to any kind of risks due to penalties. What they want to do is seek a little more time to go through every single detail in the clause, in the various FSAs that they have to sign with the power companies. And they have been meeting, remember, with coal ministry officials over last week. They're going to meet them again tonight is what we're picking up. Tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock, when the Coal India board meets again, is going to be when they take the final decision as far as this particular, issue of FSAs is concerned. But remember here, the Prime Minister's office has directed them that by the 31st of March, they will have to enter 20-year-long FSAs with power companies. They have to guarantee up to 80% of targeted fuel supply. Otherwise, they will be penalized. And what we're also picking up at the moment is that, at the end of the day, Coal India, whether the independent directors agree or not, will actually have no other alternative but to go ahead and sign long-term FSAs. Now, remember, should they do this tomorrow, it will be a huge boost to power companies, the likes of Adani, Tata Power, Reliance Power, GMK, GVR, amongst the others. But should they not do so, power companies will suffer. On one hand, is Jayapal Reddy saying there is no gas available. And if Coal India doesn't go ahead and guarantee fuel supply, power companies definitely in a lurch. So a lot riding on the board meeting of Coal India tomorrow, which will take the final decision on whether to sign long-term FSAs with power companies or not.